Today we're going to unbox and check out the Cinnado B6, a wireless outdoor security camera with 360 degrees pan and tilt and a solar panel to recharge the batteries. Thank you OnceView for sending me this camera to be reviewed. However, everything that I say in this video is my honest opinion. Is this a good fit for your home? Let's find out. First up, let's take a look at what we get inside the box. Two mounting guide, one for the solar panel, the other for the camera, along with a quick start guide. A USB Type-C solar panel with a really long 10-foot cable, and also a mounting bracket for the USB Type-C solar panel along with mounting hardware. Mounting hardware to mount the camera, USB Type-C charging cable to recharge the batteries before setup, and the Cinnado B6. By the way, the mounting bracket is attached to the back of the camera. Here are some of the technical specifications: 2K video resolution with two-way audio, PIR and AI person detection, motion alert, support for a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. There's also optional cloud storage, color night vision, IP65 weather resistant, and yes, it does work with Google Home or Amazon Alexa. This camera does not support motion tracking, nor does it support 24/7 recording. After all, it is a solar operated battery camera, so you shouldn't expect it to record 24/7. And it also only supports 2.4 gigahertz networks, no 5 gigahertz supported. But this camera is very reasonably priced at only $30. Here's how you get it set up. If you haven't done this already, download and set up the OnceView app. Once that's all done, go to Add a Device, tap OK to grant Bluetooth access, select the scanner button in the top right corner and grant camera access. Scan the QR code located on your camera using your phone. Use the power button to turn the camera on and then the reset button to enter pairing mode. Now, this is where you enter your Wi-Fi details. Usually the SSID generates automatically, but here it did not. So I had to manually enter my SSID and of course, per usual, manually enter the password. Next, using your camera, scan the QR code on your phone.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan. The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
And that's it for the setup. Now let's go outside and do the installation. So the installation process, it's fairly simple. Find a spot where you'll get a lot of sunlight and grab the mounting bracket for the solar panel. Insert screws and then screw the solar panel onto the mounting bracket. Then adjust the solar panel to a suitable angle for optimal sunlight. Next, insert the screws into the mounting bracket for the camera. Once the mounting bracket is attached to the wall, slide the camera onto the bracket just like so until it clicks into position. Attach the solar panel to the port on the back of the camera and you're good to go. This is the B6 audio test. Hey honey, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. How clear is it?
It's pretty clear. No delay in the conversation.
No delay in the conversation?
No, I can hear you pretty clear and I'm able to respond back to you.
Okay, yeah, it's not that bad out here either. I can hear it pretty clearly. The only thing is the volume is a little bit low, but it's kind of like a regular phone conversation. Here's the video clarity during the day at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This is how the camera looks during the night with color night vision enabled, which means the spotlights are on. This is the image quality during the night with color night vision off and infrared night vision on. This also means that the spotlights are off. By the way, this is how bright the spotlights are. Computer, show B6.
Okay.
I'm going to approach the camera and see how quick I will receive the notification. Also, how far away will the camera start to detect motion? 10. Okay, and I don't have the rich notification. I ran a few tests and I discovered that the camera will detect motion at about 30 to 25 feet. However, the problem is the notification is delayed. When it rains or when it gets really foggy or frosty, the camera view is really blurry until it clears up. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. Until next time, have a good one.